Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create different statuses in a table. I'm starting out with a page, and in case you forgot, we just click on the three dots in the bottom to create a table, which is a database. And let's see, so we want to add a project, for example, project 1. I click on new page here to add a project 2. And in order to add statuses, you just click on the add property here, left click, and there's an option called status. And the default in my Notion is not started, but you can click on this and it will allow you to edit the property. So we can choose by default not started, in progress, and done. But if you want, you can add more. So for example, in progress, we can add like in review. And for complete, we can add shipped or archived. And only use what you need so it doesn't clutter or confuse you. But that's all you do, and you can just click on it and change here the status. So hope this helps. Thank you.